Welcome to the online training for Trimble's EC-CAD sheet metal. In the last session, we learned how to place taps onto a piece of duct. In this session, we're going to look at editing using the properties palette. So we place this duct on, and I'd like for you to notice that it's got the flange connector on it. So this is a TDC connector based on the specification. If I go ahead and click onto this piece of duct, and you'll see here if I go look at the properties or the extended data here in the properties, I can come down here and I can see that that's a TDC connector right here onto that. Okay, connector 1, connector 2. We also have the ability to click onto that and look on the EC Tools properties palette, which is going to tell me everything about that. There's the TDC connector as well. But I want to edit the entire run here, so I want to edit both the tap and the piece of duct. So I just select those two objects, and then I can just come back to my design tab over here, and I'm going to go right in here, and I'm going to tell it I want it to go from a 12-inch wide to a 10-inch. So just by highlighting that field and typing in 10 and enter, I want you to notice the changes in the model. It not only changed the size, it also changed my connectors, because that took it down to a slip and drive connector in lieu of a TDC connector. So you can use the properties here to change an entire duct run size on the EC-CAD.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.